3 years later. It has officially been 3 years since I posted anything on this channel. Reason being, marriage, life. However, before I stopped posting on this channel, back in the day, I actually shot a video, actually 2 years ago, right before I got married, a little over 2 years ago, with my friend Hunter. I thought that I lost that footage. We moved. I found the SD cards that had the stuff on it. I decided to put it together and edit it, chop it up. It turned out as ridiculous as we thought it would be. I hope all of you get a kick out of it. Hunter, I apologize in advance for this.
Sam, are you done with the Raisin Bran Crunch?
So that is that. To all of you who were a part of our productions, it was a blast, and I miss you guys. I will say that this is the last video that I'll be posting on this channel. From here on out, I'll be posting videos on my other channel where I go by Sam Norwood rather than Our Productions. I will be posting some new videos. I've got a couple of announcements to make. I'm excited. But until then, I love you. Goodbye.